Hit it!
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello everyone. All praises go to the Most High Yah. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful day. Okay, y'all, so for those of you who don't know me, my name is Joyce McTeer, and welcome to another Crafty Vision segment. Today, I'm going to show y'all how to make a really cool pair of recycled decoupage earrings, okay? And basically, what you're going to need for this is a old pair of recycled denim jeans, okay? You're going to need some denim, all right? You're going to cut it up. You're going to cut it in different shapes and different sizes and all of that good stuff, okay? So the first thing you want to do, like I said, is find yourself a real old pair of jeans. Do some cutting. Is the denim that I am going to be using, and this is another pair of old jeans that I'm going to be using to do my decoupage on. Really old, okay? I am going to glue everything onto this side of my fabric, okay? So I'm going to lay it down like that. This is the glue. It's called tacky glue. This is my choice of glue that I'm going to be using. Okay, so as you can see, I dropped a generous amount of glue on the right side of my denim. I'm going to take my paintbrush and just start doing this with it. Okay, now, since we've done that part, this is what you're going to have. I got glue everywhere. So I'm going to put a piece here like this, and I'm just going to make sure that it's nice and stiff. I'm going to come over here and put another piece. Okay, so I got it all on here, y'all. And basically what I did with this is I did a whole lot of gluing, okay? And for those of you, tacky glue, you can find this at the Dollar Tree. They used to sell this all the time at the Dollar Tree. So if you need some, go to the Dollar Tree, or for $1.25, or you can go to Walmart. And I believe it's a little bit more at Walmart, okay? But this is what I have. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to let this dry completely. And then we're going to get back to the next phase or the next stage of our creation. Okay, so basically, this is another day. I had to let this dry completely. This is what it looks like once it dries. You gotta let it dry at least for 24 hours before you even do anything to it. Now, basically what I'm going to do, if you have any pieces like this that didn't glue, all you want to do is you just want to take your scissors and you're going to go around and you're going to cut the pieces that did not glue onto the denim, okay? And you want to cut them because when you make your shapes, whatever you're going to be using to make your shapes with, you got to make sure that you want to make sure that your piece is permanently glued onto the fabric. If it's not glued onto the fabric, it may have a chance of coming off, and you really don't want that. So you want to take your time and go around and just cut off the pieces, or you can glue the pieces on. You can glue them down and let it sit for another 24 hours. Okay? Now what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to flip this over like this, and I'm going to come down the bottom here. And the shapes that I'm going to be using is, of course, y'all already know, I'm going to be using these wood pieces. So I'm just going to take and I'm going to trace. Now, this is what I'm going to say to you. My suggestion, these are going to be post earrings, okay? My suggestion to you would be to paint your piece, your wood piece. So whatever wood piece you choose to use, you want to paint it, all right? Now I'm going to come here and I'm just going to trace. I'm going to trace this piece of wood on my denim from the back, okay? Don't do it from the front, do it from the back, because that way you can have a much accurate, you can see better because it's because of the different types of denim that I have. You want to just make, you want it to be really, really accurate. So let me just, I'll put that like that so y'all can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to trace this just like this. Just come around and try to, whatever you use, just try to make sure that it's nice and dark so that you can see the lines. You just want to make sure that it's nice and dark so you can see the lines. Okay, that's a perfect circle. So now, I am not, since these are post earrings, I'm not going to put no denim on the back of the earring, okay? So I'm going to cut this just like this. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, so what you want to do, okay, is you're going to start, when you cut, you're going to go on the inside. Don't cut on the actual circle. Don't cut on the actual line of the circle is what I meant to say. I'm sorry. Don't cut on the actual line. And the reason why you don't cut on the actual line of the circle is because if you do that, this is going to be a little bigger than the actual this. It's going to be bigger. So that means you're going to have fabric that's going to probably hang over. So you want to cut on the inside, okay? You want to cut on the inside and you want to go around just like this, and you want to leave a little bit of space. Just a little bit of space, okay? Not a lot. A little bit of space from the actual line itself, and you're going to cut all the way around just like this. Okay. And you're going to go all the way around just like this. Okay, and you may want to also paint your piece on the front as well as the back. So you want to paint your piece on both sides. So this is what this is going to look like. Okay. Now, the next one you cut out is not going to look exactly the same because, and then let me flip it over, because of where you have it. So if you wanted to, you could just make sure that the next piece you cut out, make sure you cut it close to, you know, stay close to this piece here, because this piece does have the same fabric in there. But as you can see, looking at this, the fabrics are different, okay? And all you want to do next, okay, y'all, so basically what I did was I took the liberty and I painted my wood pieces, okay? I painted them on the front and the back. And this is the paint that I use. It's called Sky Blue. You can purchase this at Walmart, okay? The reason why I went with that color is because of the color of the denim. Now, I want to show y'all something that I did. Now, I did distress this, and I'm going to show y'all how to do that, okay? I did distress it. That's going to be the back. All you do, you're going to go around just like this on your piece once you cut it out with your finger, and you're just going to distress it. That's all, just like this. That's all you do. Go around like this on the whole piece, back and forth, flipping it however you may need to do it. Okay, flipping it. I always go from side to side, front and back, front and back. Okay, and you want to go around just like I said. You want to do this to your whole earring. All right, once you just go around and distress it. Now, I'm going to say this. If you don't feel like doing this, you don't have to. Okay, it just depends on what type of look you want to give your earring, okay? But you just go around and you just distress it. Now, I do want to say this to you. If you want both of your earrings to look the same and you don't want them to be different, then all you do is you glue them on, but you glue everything on like in a pattern like. Okay, this was not in the pattern. This was in patches. So you could glue on your patches more like in a pattern format is what I'm going to say, in order for the earrings to both look the same, okay? Now, this is going to be a unique pair. Anytime you make anything that doesn't look absolutely the same, they're unique, okay? They're unique. And of course, you already know how awesome. So here you have that. And as you can see, I have like a variety of many different fabrics on here. And basically, all I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my glue, and you're going to see on here exactly where this is going to lay. And the color that I choose is absolutely perfect. And I'm going to take my glue. I'm going to glue this onto here. And I have to let it set for, and let me show you what I'm using. You're going to take your glue. Tacky glue is the best project for anything like this, okay? You're going to take your tacky glue and you're going to glue your tacky glue. Take your tacky glue and put it on your wood. And then you're going to place this on top, okay? And then the last thing we're going to do is add on our post. Now, let me show y'all what that looked like. It's just a regular post. And that is the very last thing we're going to do for these earrings. And these earrings, okay, something just like this that you can order from Amazon, all right? So basically what I'm going to do, the next time y'all see me, I am going to glue all of this together. I'm going to put the post on, and then I'm going to show y'all the end result of these gorgeous fabric patchwork earrings, okay? Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so if you stay to the end, I want to say thank you so very much. I greatly appreciate your support. Please make sure that you thumbs up this video and you share this video on your social media platforms so that people can get the word about what we doing here at LaJoytra Creations on YouTube. So I want to show y'all the end results. This is the end results. Now, I know y'all see a shine. And what I did was, okay, this is the back. Okay. I used the Mod Podge, y'all. Yes. And what I did was I took a piece and I cut out another piece and I put the Mod Podge on it because I wanted to see how it would come out. And I loved it. I put it right on here. I glued these together. For those of you who want to know what type of glue I used for this project, is tacky glue. Like I said, you can get this from the Dollar Tree and also Walmart. So if they have this at Dollar Tree, load up on it. Buy as many as possible because this right here is the truth, okay? One coat of the Mod Podge, and this is what I have, y'all. These earrings will be going in my shop. They are going to be for sale. A lot of times, sometimes y'all, when I make some of my things, I don't always put it in my shop. Sometimes I just have it just for the sake of having it. But I'm going to make quite a few pair of these. I'm going to make a few pair of these. I'm going to pretty much use up the rest of that fabric that I did. Okay. So this will be the very first pair that will be going in my shop. All right, y'all. Please make plenty, y'all. All right, I really, really love how these came out. Okay, so with that being said, once again, thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. Happy crafting. And until my next upload, okay? See ya.